Hello guys, we are in the kitchen corner and it is very noisy. Sorry guys. So I have her from Scotty Marie Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. She wrote in her own letter for me. We will read for this. So guys, it's beautiful, very artistic. The kid is very artistic, you see? That is her gift. Thank you so much, Scotty Marie. I appreciate it. I love you. What is this? I love you too. What is this?
I love you too.
2 pieces? 2 pieces? I don't know.
Because there's puzzle pieces.
Ah, this is a puzzle pieces. This is pala. She makes a puzzle pieces, guys. That's
And
why.
it's a hard one.
Yeah. This is her own make. And she have also from school. Guys.